Hey guys, and today's video is all about Halloween treats. And before we start this video, I have a special shout out for JJ's Playworld, and I won the giveaway, and I want to give him a huge thank you. Stay tuned to the end of this video so we can reveal more shout outs. Now let's get started. To make our spooky spider cookies, you will need candy eyeballs, M&Ms, Oreos, peanut butter and a knife, and pretzels. So what you do first is you get an Oreo, then you stick your pretzels in. You will need 4 on each side. Then you take your peanut butter and you open it. And you get your knife and you put a little peanut butter, just a small speck, and another small speck. And then you take your candy eyeballs or your M&Ms and you put them on. And now you have your spooky spider. If you don't have candy eyeballs, then use M&Ms. And if you don't have Oreos, you can use crackers. To make your spooky banana ghost, you will need a banana, chocolate chips, and a knife. And don't forget to get adult supervision with this spooky idea. Make sure when you split your banana, you have a smaller piece and a bigger piece. Now peel. After you cut your banana, stick in your chocolate chips. The ghost bananas are ready. To make blueberry worms, you will need candy eyeballs, blueberries, peanut butter, a knife, and bamboo sticks. Now add how many blueberries you want. I want to add 9. Now add peanut butter to stick on your candy eyeballs. To make your marshmallow ghost, you will need bamboo sticks, marshmallows, and chocolate chips in a bag. Add your marshmallows to the bamboo stick. Put your chocolate chips in the microwave for 30 seconds. Make a small cut at the edge of the bag. Start decorating our marshmallows. Here are our ghosts. To make your Oreo bats, you will need Reese's peanut butter cup, peanut butter, candy eyeballs, and Oreos. Take your cookies and cut it in half. When you have your cookies ready, start decorating. Let's add the eyes. Our bats are ready. With the rest of your cookie, you can add a Kisses treat. And now you made a witch hat. This is what we made today. Banana ghost, marshmallow ghost, spooky spider, blueberry worms, Reese's peanut butter bats, For additional ideas, you can do Beetles, which are pecans and chocolate. You can do Smile Bites, which is marshmallows, apple, and peanut butter. And the last one is Ghost Milk. It has a ghost face and it has milk inside. I hope you enjoyed these Halloween treats. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, and don't forget to comment and share down below, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!